Hi, I am Ashish Sharma with Anytime Fitness. I take care of brand alliances and strategic partnership. And we at Anytime Fitness believe that fitness should be looked upon in a holistic way. It should not just be about exercising. Fitness and wellness, they both go hand in hand at the end of the day. And the community of people that we cater to, they have the same mindset. They are quite brand conscious these days, and they are wellness minded as well. And since we are catering to such a community of people, we also have to keep in mind what else we can do to make this holistic approach around fitness a win-win situation. When I spoke to Airth, I saw some real value in the product. They were not providing you with generic air purifiers at the end of the day. They were revolutionizing this particular industry by upgrading your ACs into air filters, which was quite fascinating for me when I heard it the first time. The other thing that amazed me about Airth was the cost of installation. It was exponentially low than what we see in terms of existing air purifiers at the end of the day. According to me, this is not just something that has to be installed in gyms. It is something that can go in every household, because in today's day and age, every household has an air conditioner. And you don't have to spend anything extra to buy an air purifier. You just have to call them. They'll come and upgrade your existing ACs into air purifiers, and at a cost that will not hurt your pockets. In that sense, this collaboration makes a lot of sense. Along with that, I also realized that we spend maximum time of our day in our offices, thinking that we are sitting in an air-conditioned environment, so we must be breathing in clean air. But that myth was busted by Airth when I realized that the air-conditioned air is actually not clean air. In fact, the AC is just trying to rotate the same air that we are breathing out. And so that makes it even more harmful. So I think even for offices and corporate, this is quite a desirable product. Trust me, I did not even have to convince my management for this. The moment I told them about the product, the moment I told them how the mission of Airth is in line with our mission and how we can give more value to our customers and a cleaner environment to our customers if we integrate their product in our existing infrastructure. So let me just end this by saying that I've already asked Airth to come and upgrade my ACs at home as well. Like, apart from the brand collaboration that we are doing with them, I have already asked them to come at my home and upgrade all my ACs. Where else would it matter if not at home? And I'm definitely going to recommend Airth to my relatives as well. In fact, I've already started getting inquiries from some of my office people about how can they get this done at their home.